Again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. In this video, I will guide you or I will show you how to answer a secret code for your treasury as I used to provide it daily. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So as you can see, like here is a value, like a sitting room, like it has a chair and some gear which is like chess game. So all you need to do is to come and click on this section so that the code will be applied for us like shortly. So let's click on it. So as you can see, like the code has been applied, which is something like this. As you can see, it is similar like 404. So let's go and enter it so that we should confirm like it is the exactly code that we need to use. So let's go for request. Always let's click on activities always again. So let's enter the code. So this one is just through first. So and again, before we go into imported the code, so right today they have given a 1 million Telegram stars to the 20 participants, like in 20 lucky users. As you can see, like here they made it clear, like 1 million Telegram stars await 20,000 lucky users like chance to claim it, but it is slip away like a sand through fingers. Only those who act swiftly will reach the finish line. So it is just like lucky users that are going to get in this 1 million Telegram stars. So may we wish to the lucky to be like in our site. So let's get back and imported our code. So let's click on start. Let's import the code 404. So let's click on check. So congratulations, we have been imported the correct answer as you can see. So here it is. So definitely anything like related to treasury, so definitely I will provide it here as I promised to provide it daily. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.